Welcome back to my channel, News for Kids. Today's news is, they say the key to healthy eating is to avoid any food that has a TV commercial. But today we will talk about top 5 foods we must eat to maintain healthy eyesight. As we all know, schools have gone online. Everyone has started spending more and more time viewing some form of screen every day, except a lot more than ever before, right? How much do you think is an average time one spends in front of the screen that includes attending school, college, work, or plain entertainment? 6 hours, 7 hours, or maybe even more. So, today we will inform our viewers on how they can focus on a diet to keep their eyesight healthy. So let's begin. There are 4 important foods that will help us improve our eyesight and maintain their health too. Leafy green vegetables. Yes, our mothers have been telling us, but today it is much needed. You should eat spinach, cabbage, and broccoli. These vegetables have a high level of nutrition, which helps to prevent any disorder in your eyes as we grow older. Food number 2, eggs and carrots. Eating eggs will help you prevent night blindness and dry eyes, as they are very rich in vitamin A, which promotes healthy functioning of our eyes. Food number 3, berries and citrus fruits. Eat them as a snack food, such as strawberry and oranges, as they are rich in vitamin C, and that strengthens our immune system, which increases resistance to any eye infections. Food number 4, go nuts. Seriously, almonds, pistachios, walnuts, it's a must every day as our diet. These nuts contain very high level of vitamin E, which is very important to preserve our eyesight. As a bonus to our subscribers and viewers, today we will also show you how eye exercises can help you further. Watch this clip.
We're going to take the next minute to do a quick, easy exercise designed to relieve tired eyes from looking at a computer screen or sitting and standing under fluorescent lights. We'll begin by taking a nice, comfortable seat, sitting up nice and tall. Relax your shoulders, bring the shoulders onto the back of your body. And we're going to begin by just rubbing the palms together. Create a little warmth in the hands with a little friction, and you can do this for 5, 10, 15 seconds. And then once the hands feel nice and warm, we're going to cover the eyes, placing the heels of the hands on the cheekbones, resting the palms on the brow bones, and letting the fingertips rest on your skull. Let your shoulders melt away, let the eyes be closed, and just notice and feel the warmth of the hands and the darkness. Notice if you see any flashes of light, any colors. Let your breath be natural and smooth. And then when the lights and the colors fade to black, open your eyes into the darkness and release the palms back onto the thighs. And this is something you could do for as long as you'd like and as often as you'd like. Thank you.
With all the schools going online, is there a way today to even imagine teaching without internet? Today we will tell you how some teachers continue teaching their students using unique ideas to fulfill their commitment to educate students. Teaching with loudspeakers. Yes, you heard it right. In one of the remote areas of Jharkhand, a place called Damka, the headmaster of a school has found a very unique method. He has installed loudspeakers in the areas where the students mainly reside, and lessons are delivered to students around their houses over mic, and students sit around the loudspeakers, and school is conducted each day in this fashion. If the students have any questions, they can ask the teachers by sending SMS, which are addressed the next day itself. What can we say?
आहट पाट बाबुन जमाय भीड़ भाड़ और कुताओ पर पे मुका संगिन संगिन ताहे नब बाबुन जपाग और कुता बाबुन पतना बुया खुरना वायरे।
पांचवें घर का नाम कौन बता? 10,000। वेरी गुड। चलो वकील के लिए क्लैपिंग। बताओ।
ये हमारा झारखंड जो है
10 लाख के बाद
यहाँ गरीब आदिवासी हैं, गरीब लोग हैं और इनकी गरीबी को देखते हुए सरकार हमको 70,000 रुपये सैलरी देती है और इसको सैलरी के लिए खाली हम अगर पढ़ाते हैं बच्चों को तो ये धोखा है बच्चों के साथ, जो हम नहीं चाहते हैं। हम बच्चों से प्यार है, बच्चे हमें प्यार करते हैं, अभिभावक प्यार करते हैं।
We're not sure if the upcoming methods are practiced, but there are few other ways for students to learn without internet. Method number 1. Buddy system. In this method, one senior student can teach 2 to 3 junior students and they can maintain the progress of students and submit to the school periodically. Method number 2. Snowball learning. One teacher can teach one parent or an educated family member of one village who can then teach a few students around their residence or village. Again, share their report with the teachers periodically. Method number 3. Weekly delivery of study material. On a Sunday evening, the study material for the upcoming week can be dropped at the students' houses, and if they have a doubt, they can drop in the SMS to teachers, reply and address. In absence of internet, such methods can help students keep studying without missing their classes. Today, we will also like to highlight one such great example of a teacher in Tamil Nadu who manages to teach her students each day without the internet. Watch this clip.
Meet Mahalakshmi teacher, a 49-year-old Tamil teacher from Pandrutti in Tamil Nadu who has become a boon for many students. Since several class 10 students of Naduvirapata Government Higher Secondary School do not have internet, TV or laptop to access online classes, Mahalakshmi teacher reaches their doorsteps to give them lessons. Every day, the teacher goes to different areas in Pandrutti block to take lessons for her students. She turns the space under a tree or the entrance to a house into a classroom. Sometimes she uses YouTube videos and the traditional Villupattu to teach certain concepts. With an experience of more than 25 years, Mahalakshmi teacher ensures to cover major portions of the syllabus every day. She also created a WhatsApp group through which she helps students with their academic work. However, they have to go to nearby villages to get internet. Mahalakshmi hopes to educate more such students and help them build a career.
Salute to you all. Have you ever heard of a place with no rain for 500 years? We bring to you the Atacama Desert in Chile, the driest region on planet Earth. The Atacama Desert is the driest place on Earth. It receives only a few millimeters of rain every year. Scientists believe there was no rain to speak of in part of the Atacama between 1570 and 1971. Such is the situation here that this region is used mostly for experimentation sites on Earth for Mars expeditions. The conditions make Atacama a splendid place to test instruments for future Mars missions. In fact, many TV series or movies are shot here to show scenes imagined on Mars. But in 2013, something happened which changed this region's history. It rained, but that caused flooding, as neither the region nor the community was prepared for such a calamity and had to face serious issues. Today, we will bring you a story where we will show you what the region looks like and how it was affected due to the drastic rain that took place a few years ago. Fun zone. Today we will show you the best goals in football. Enjoy this clip.
Vai para golaço! Golaço, golaço, golaço! Alex Grimaldo, mas que golo!
Jejich klub teď získá další šanci. Narážečká střela, která končí parádním gólem.
Bernardeschi dentro da Dybala, posizione regolare, che finta di Dybala, che giocata, e Cucchiaio! Mamma mia!
Che meraviglia!
Mamma mia!
Che meraviglia!
Paolo Dybala, 1-0.
Frappé au premier poteau direct. C'est frappé directement Neymar pour le 2-0.
Barella. Candreva.
De
Candreva, oh elle est belle, elle est dedans. C'est la but, le quatrième signé Antonio Candreva.
Meilleure situation des Rams depuis le retour des vestiaires. Harry Wilson s'est travaillé.
Oh, magnifique.
Oh, quelle frappe exceptionnelle d'Harry Wilson.
Que la tiene en el costado derecho. Ahí va Álvaro Tejero, pone el centro templado. ¡Oh! ¡Golazo! ¡Gol!
Pasa por acá. Dijiste que eran 4, ibas con 2. El tiro de Aquino.
That's it for today. Zoom in next time for more fun facts. Do not forget to subscribe, hit that notification bell, share my videos, leave a thumbs up and comment down below. What are the new fun facts that you learned after watching this video?